Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the most requested one after I posted vanilla cupcakes for this beautiful buttercream frosting. It's the classic American buttercream frosting which is super easy and ready in just 10 minutes. It is smooth and silky and pipes like a dream. So what we need here is 100 grams of butter which is not too soft or too hard. It should have some resistance when you push a finger in it. Butter that is too soft wouldn't hold the frosting and will have a mess, especially if you live in a humid environment. So for the first step, what we're gonna do here is cream the butter using a hand mixer for about 5 minutes on high speed. This step will help the butter to be creamy and fluffy, and we are left with a paler color butter. Scrape down the sides frequently so that everything is even. We definitely don't want the butter to be yellow if you're aiming for a white frosting. So whip this up on high speed and you'll notice the butter has doubled in size. And after this is done, we'll add in 140 grams of icing sugar in 3 to 4 small batches. Whip this for about 30 to 40 seconds each interval. This step will help the sugar to properly combine with the butter. So if you're using powdered sugar at home, then make sure the sugar is not grainy and sift it for at least 2 times. And then sift in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. This will help to hold the frosting well. Also, if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. I post new videos every week with some bonus videos alternatively. If you find my recipes helpful, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. And give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So after the sugar is properly combined with the butter, what we're gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whip it for about 30 seconds on low speed. And then add 1 tablespoon of whipping cream to the mixture and whip it for about a minute on medium speed. You need to keep in mind that adding cream will thin out the consistency of the frosting, so add it gradually or just skip this step if your frosting is at perfect consistency. If your buttercream has become too thin or if it's not pipeable, then don't worry and just add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of icing sugar gradually and whip it until you have the perfect texture. So now we'll go ahead and divide the frosting and add some pastels to the buttercream frosting. And again, this step will loosen up the frosting consistency. So use a high quality gel colors, or if you're using normal color, then add in just a drop and check for the thickness and color. I've prepared a batch of vanilla cupcakes, so I'm gonna go ahead and frost it with our American buttercream frosting. So using a piping bag, cut the tip, and here I'll be using an open star nozzle to pipe a rose on our cupcakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill the piping bag with the frosting halfway through and seal it tightly. You can also use a clip to seal the bag. To achieve a rose, what we're gonna do is hold the piping bag exactly perpendicular to the cupcake in the center and pipe it slowly and closely without lifting up the piping bag. And there you go, we have a beautiful rose on our cupcake. Seems really simple, right? And trust me, it's so much more fun and exciting to do it. I've frosted all my cupcakes by using the single nozzle, that is the open star nozzle, to achieve all of these pretty forms, just using different techniques and pastels. You can frost almost 18 to 20 cupcakes with this batch of buttercream frosting. So I didn't have this lavender color with me, and to achieve this pretty color, what I did is just mix 1 drop of red to a drop of blue, and to get a purple hue, I've mixed 3 drops of red to a drop of blue and added it to my frosting. Use it carefully so that you don't ruin the consistency of the buttercream. If you try this out, then don't forget to share your pictures with me on Instagram with the hashtag TimeTheDivine. Give it a big thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also add some sprinkles on your cupcakes and have fun trying them out. Also, if you want me to do a video on any particular recipe, then write down in the comment section and I'll surely try it out. Comment down your feedbacks and share it with your friends and family. Have a great weekend and I'll meet you again in my next video. Till then, stay calm, stay safe and dine the divine.